That's fantastic. All right, coming up next in the Open Mic Roundup.
This is Mike in Port St. John. We bought our son a 2022 Kia K5, the GT line. Has the 1.6 turbocharged motor. Is it a good car? After the break-in, we're going to switch to AMSOIL. Thank you.
Well, it's like this. I mean, Kia, Hyundai, and even Mitsubishi, they all use pretty much the same engines across the board. And over the last 10 years, because of the oils they've recommended to lubricate these engines with, they've just about recalled everything that they've ever built. Just mass engine problems. National Highway Safety Traffic Administration has actually made them recall all these motors because of fires. They sling a rod out of the bottom of the engine, and hot oil gets all over the exhaust system and the catalytic converter at 900 degrees, and they burst into flames. So that's kind of their history. Now, this being a new vehicle, the bottom line is, being a turbo car, the engine runs hot, the oil gets a heck of a workout. You have to stay away from 20-weight oils. I haven't had a chance to look up what the recommended viscosity is for that car, but in order for it to have a prayer, put about 3,000 miles on it. You want to switch to the AMSOIL, but I'm going to tell you, with a turbo car like that, I would probably recommend to go with like a 5W30. Now, a lot of these newer cars that Kia and Hyundai are coming out with, they're finally getting away from this 20-weight oil. The Palisades and the Tellurides, they're recommending 530 for these, where before it was all 20-weight everything. So I think they're actually starting to learn from their mistakes, but it's costed them dearly. Let's put it that way. You don't want to try to lubricate an engine of any kind here in Florida with 20-weight oil. It's just ridiculous. And then here you've got Toyota out here putting 16-weight in these things. Hey, a car company that's got such a dependable line of vehicles, and they want to just ruin it by putting too thin of an oil in an engine. And it's going to wind up costing consumers engines is what it's going to wind up doing. But if you take it into the dealer, they're going to put this thin stuff in there that the manufacturer recommends. You're going to have to take note and make sure that you're getting a good viscosity oil in these vehicles, or you're just going to wind up as a casualty, is basically what's going to happen. But on that one there, probably go with a 530 after about 3,000 miles, and that's the AMSOIL Signature Series oil. They make some cheaper oils, but you want to use the Signature Series. That's pretty much all we sell at Magic Mechanic, and I do not sell any 20 weights for any vehicle, period. If you want that crap put in your vehicle, you're going to take it somewhere besides Magic Mechanic. And I'll wish you luck with it, and I'll tell you where you can get a good replacement engine when you need one. How's that? But good luck with that new car. Let's all keep our fingers crossed for you.